So, hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. So, yes, I have the awesome privilege of meeting the author of the book Rise, and it is a book of poetry and motivational quotes and poetry. Coloring pages.
Yes.
I didn't even realize that.
And journal pages as well.
Awesome. So, this is my sister. I won't say from another mother, but yes, she is my namesake, Taneisha, and this is Taneisha Francis, my sister. We just meet and we're like soul sisters already. So yes, welcome to Monday Medz.
Thank you,
is
Taneisha.
So good to meet you and to see that we share similar goals and business ideas. And yes, I am going to definitely, we're promoting her book. You can find her on Amazon. You can find her book on Amazon. And where else can they find your book?
They can get in touch with me.
All right.
And get the order.
All right. So we will share her information in the description section of this video. And yeah, support with Jamaican sister.
Definitely.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You won't regret it.
Awesome.
Success, wealth, health, prosperity, growth, development, blessings, deliverance, healing. Blessings of the Lord make it rich and add no sorrow to it. Bless the Lord.
Rise.
This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Taneisha Lawrence. Keep watching.